The Mu D9 is a long-standing Dahon classic. Its curving design has become a folding standard, sporty and stylish. The lightweight aluminum frame is well finished with TIG welding. This iconic model comes in understated colorways, smooth good looks, and refined style all the way. Performs above and beyond on urban commutes, errands, or longer tours. A strong frame saves your effort. Enjoy the road. Easy to ride, easy to carry, easy to stow, making it easy to switch to a low-carbon lifestyle. BA hinge, 4-link structure, safe and reliable locking. Fold or unfold quickly, easily, and with minimum effort. Forged aluminum alloy is strong and stylish. Rectangular reinforced down tube, patented technology. Flattened and targeted forming at the center line where the down tube meets the main frame, boosting longitudinal stiffness and frame strength. Deltec cable, patented technology. The Deltec cable optimizes single beam folding bikes into a stable triangular shape, transforming frame force distribution. Taking on maximum stress, Deltec reduces the load on the folding frame, greatly improving service life and load-bearing capabilities. Longitudinal rigidity is also increased by 35% for all-round rigid riding. Pedaling force is more effectively converted into propulsion, reducing energy loss. An easier feel than many road and mountain bikes. Cable routing is clean and tidy, with no effect on folding action. Deltec is a revolution for single-beam folding bikes. Aluminum alloy telescopic inward folding stem, smaller and more compact folding, firm locking. Folding and unfolding is simple, effortless, and fast. Handlebar angle can be rotated for best comfort. Adapts to different rider heights and positions for a better ride. Aluminum seat post. Wide range max and min tolerance for a wide range of rider heights. Transmission. Dahon 9-speed transmission system. Clean, precise, and easy shifting. 53T chain plate with 11 to 32T rear flywheel assembly. Small-wheeled frame is lighter and quicker off the block and pedals more powerfully. Speed and agility advantage over large-wheeled bikes. Wheels. Dahon custom wheel set, smooth running. Rims withstand high pressure and rapid braking for a superior ride. Folded size. Length 84 centimeters. Width 37 centimeters. Height 66 centimeters. Weight 11.72 kilograms. Max load 105 kilograms. Dahon is a brand with more than 40 years pedigree. Guinness World Record title for world's largest manufacturer of folding bikes. More than 500 multinational patents. Most folding bikes worldwide owe their heritage to Dahon's DNA. Collaborations welcome, except no imitations. Born from Dahon's awesome folding technology, with consistently excellent quality. Other products cannot compare. Choose Dahon.